umbrellas, but obviously I'm a Seattleite, so I'm just gonna wear my rain jacket. Call it a day, you know? I'm going from this 시장 to this 시장. I landed and I was like, something smells fishy. That's the fish market. That's the 시장. This is 경동시장. What's that? Oh my god! Okay, did you like it? She's trying the 꽈배기 donut. Oh, looks very fresh.
It is
Oh, 쫀득! Look at that bowl.
This is rice, babe?
It's rice, yeah, rice flour. She tried bandegi. Shocker.
Bandegi. She
Bandegi.
didn't know what she was grabbing. She grabbed the cup. I looked at the sign. I was like, this is silkworm. And as she was putting it in her mouth, I thought it was pecan.
No! Ew! The 시장 has woken up. They're finally doing the whole calling out. Like, 이거 사세요, 저거 사세요. Yeah. What's this? 네. 감사합니다.
봄이 살로만 만든 거예요.
네. 감사합니다. 맛있네요. 네. Yeah. My mom's like, what? You made it to 경동시장? Why? Oh, it smells so good. I eat this in the winter. It's like, oh my god. Okay, it looks fishy, but we're supposed to go to a really cute Starbucks right now. But where is it? One more? Oh. 네. Oh. 네.
왼쪽에 스톱.
감사합니다. 감사합니다. Oh,
wait,
so nice. Where?
Please follow
Oh,
this
follow
arrow.
the arrow. What is this? This is like a. I feel like we're going to some speakeasy.
Ah.
This is super cool. Okay. All right. What?
Wow.
Oh, it's hidden. I'm so excited.
Oh, wow.
Wow, it's huge. Dang. What the heck? This is so nice. Huh? Yeah. No wonder they hid it. What do you think about this?
So they do still.
We make soup out of it.
I thought it's past time.
You thought it was a myth now? No.
No, I knew that Koreans do eat dogs. But
Yes.
I thought it has become less popular.
Yes, it has become less popular, but this is another one. Right here. It says 시골 똥개. Right here.
At least it doesn't have the leg.
Oh,
I
that's
saw
just,
legs like that looks like a dog.
yeah. That's not fun. We made it.
This place would be fun at night, huh? Mm-hmm. But this is his newest one. This is his third location.
Wow. Oh, look. You could just put your shoes there. Cheers. Oh, sorry. Cheers.
Make it better for you.
Yeah.
Grilled kimchi makes it.
It makes it
grilled
sweeter.
kimchi? Oh.
Wow.
Okay, this is this?
This one is this or this. But you could try this. That's fine. Yeah. Oh, Amy. Oh my goodness. That's usually my go-to roll. Doing the meat. She's so quick. How is it?
Can I eat it?
Yeah.
It's not. Doesn't have any taste. Try
Oh,
the other sauce.
yeah. That's probably just what's it? Sesame sauce and salt. That's it. Yeah. 귀여워.
물로 터뜨려봐.
He said the fur is gonna come.
괜찮아.
Well, I need an umbrella.
나도 안 가리고.
아, 그래요? You could do it. You can touch. 어머나. Oh. Oh my gosh. So sweet. So good. Oh. Oh, the kimchi looks fire. Oh, dang. Wow, that looks really good. Oh, they look so good. Sick? Why are they so big? Massive. I don't know. Oh, the strawberry. Yeah, I know. Okay. Okay.
I never get this angle.
I know.
It's funny, my vlogs don't have me in it.
I'm serving cameraman.
Number 2. I
Yeah.
only have cameraman number 1, me, myself, and I.
Let's just use one straw. Why are you?
I don't know. Is there a trash can?
Why did you plate it so pretty over there, and then when you box it up, you just screw up how it looks? That is so sad.
It sounds good.
It sounds good? Can I trade with you?
Hold it like that. I still have.
Cream.
It's a lot.
How much? Yee.
As if I'm the capital.
Yeah, no, vintage is not cheap here. Serena, what results do you think you'll get?
I don't even know what results mean.
They give you like,
Tell you what color you look good in.
yeah, they'll give us like a whole palette, I think.
I think I'm pretty accurate with
I see.
color-wise.
I have no idea.
Definitely more warm.
Warm? I think you're like,
Less saturated.
oh.
Less saturated color.
Hi, we made it. Oh my goodness, my hair. Yes, I'm really excited to see what colors I can match other than black and white, or obviously just any dark colors. I want to branch out.
통역해주시는 거다?
네네네. 아니면 영어로 하셔도.
저는 못해요.
그래요? Okay, I'll just translate.
I'm assuming they want us to take off jewelry.
주얼리 같은 건 다 빼는 게 좋겠죠? 네.
네, 그거만 빼시면 돼요?
네. That's all you need to take off. You could,
Oh really?
Yeah.
This is fine.
Yeah. This is the best,
Yeah.
as she says.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's crazy.
So during the personal color analysis, you get to learn which colors are your worst and your best, and overall which category you belong in the color analysis wheel. For me, it was the spring warm light. With that result, the analyst tells you which makeup products you could get that matches your style, your haircut too, and even the way you can dress. So that day, the analyst told me I was wearing everything wrong. I was wearing all black. The analyst told me to reference people like Im Yuna or Park Bo-young, which feels very unrealistic because they're way too pretty. But overall, I think I learned a lot and I know what to reference now, and I do try to fit it into my daily outfits. It's just, I don't think you need to change everything just from what you learned.